Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Pra, a journey towards Sehat or Swad. Today I am going to talk about nutrition in pre-teens and teenagers. That is from 9 years to 19 years old children. This is the phase when lots of hormonal and physical changes takes place in the body and the children need more calories to support and fuel the same. They need a wide variety of foods from the 5 healthy food groups, that is, grains, pulses, dairy, fruits, and vegetables. The nutrients from these healthy food groups are very important for the growth and development at this stage of life. Let's have a look at all the food groups and also the important vitamins and minerals required at this phase of life. Fruits and vegetables gives energy, vitamins, antioxidants, fiber and water. They help protect your child against diseases later in life. So, encourage the child to choose fruit and vegetables at every meal and snacks. Grain foods. It includes wheat, rice, oats, millets, whole grains, and these foods gives energy to grow, develop and learn. Next is dairy foods. At this phase, the child needs more calcium to help develop bone mass and build strong bones for life. Encourage your child to have different kinds of dairy each day. For example, milk, cheese, paneer and curd. Other dairy-free foods that are rich in calcium are tofu, broccoli, nuts, seeds, soya milk and green leafy vegetables. Make sure they get enough vitamin D fortified foods so that calcium can be absorbed easily, as calcium needs vitamin D for the absorption of the same. Coming on to proteins. Protein-rich foods includes lean meat, fish, chicken, eggs, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu and nuts. These protein-rich foods also have other vitamins and minerals like iron and omega-3 fatty acids, which are particularly important during adolescence. Omega-3 fatty acids from oily fish help your teenage brain development and learning. Iron fuels your child's muscle growth and increase in blood volume. Especially in girls, they need extra iron. Protein-rich foods from animal sources have zinc and vitamin B12 too, which are essential mineral and vitamin in this phase of life. Other important vitamins are vitamin A, which helps growth, assists the eyes in adjusting to dim and bright lights, keeps skin healthy, and works to prevent infection. These are found in yellow, orange, and red colored fruits and vegetables. Next is vitamin C. It is required for the absorption of iron in the body and also prevents infections from the body. Water. Water makes up more than half of kids' body weight and is needed to keep all parts of the body functioning properly. However, there is no specific amount of water recommended for this age group, but they are advised to have as much as water they can have. Kids of different age should be physically active for at least 60 minutes a day, as nowadays kids are refrained from going outside so they are mostly spending their time in front of screens. Try to minimize this time and try to indulge them into indoor activities and games so that they can prove to be mentally fit. As we all know, junk foods is loved by all the age groups. But this is the particular age group which is attracted towards it more. So make sure and try to indulge these age group children into healthy eating habits. This junk food should be avoided most of the time as it increases the risk of teenage overweight and obesity and could also lead into conditions like type 2 diabetes. Sweet drinks such as juices, squashes and soft drinks are high in sugar and low in nutrient. These should be avoided because it can lead to weight gain, obesity and tooth decay. Parents should be aware of the changes in their child's eating patterns and make family dinners a priority daily. A healthy child becomes a healthy adult, and with your guidance and support, your child will be both. In this session, I have covered the nutritional requirement of this age group. Next session, I am going to talk about superfoods, which has to be included or which enhances the nutrient content of your child's diet. So, if you have any queries or you want any information on the same topic, you can contact me on my email address. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching, stay connected. Thank you.